Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add hover effect here in Wix. All right, so first up, we would have to select an element. It could be an image, button, or box. Okay, go to the top left, click on add elements. Right here, for example, I'm just going to be using the image element. Okay, for example, this photo right here. Okay, just going to click on it. Now it's here. So what we'll do is just click on this customize button or design button. Okay, click on it. Now, go ahead and click on Customize Design. Click on it, and here in the second option, we will be able to see the hover section. Click. Maybe if you point your mouse right here, it will fade or lose its transparency. For example, at 65, like so. Okay. So when we click on X, right here, preview. As you can see, here we have the hover effect. Okay. Another option or another fun tip. Okay, I'm going to click on it once more. Edit. Maybe I'm going to change this one to circular. Like so. Close it. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on animations and effects right here. Okay, click on it. Now we could go ahead and use the mouse effect. Okay, you can see we have tilt, track, bob, blur, and some other options. I'm just going to use track. Okay, just going to click on it and hit on customize. That's it. If you want to, you can go ahead and change these settings. If not, you can go ahead and test it out. Okay, as you can see. And there you have it. That's how you add hover effect here in Wix. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.